Oh hey internet friends, long time no see, come on in. Alright guys, it's Tom back, and I'm sorry I haven't posted a YouTube video for a long time, but this year one of my main focus is posting more content for you guys, behind the scenes, Amazon tricks, strategies, here and that, life of an entrepreneur. But in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how much our Amazon FBA business generated in the year 2018. And it was an exciting year, and I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes and show you our revenue. And it's gonna be a live screenshot, so it's gonna be, or a live demo, whatever you wanna call it, so that there's no way, for me to fake that number or anything like that. But I'm saying this not to show off or brag. I know a lot of people that are doing huge numbers. In fact, my monthly revenue is probably someone else's yearly revenue. But what I'm saying is Amazon FBA has changed my life for the better, right? And if you had told me we launched our first product on January the 1st, 2017, that our yearly revenue in 2018 was gonna be this big, I would have told you to go take a hike. There was no way that I would even believe that. But I guess anything is possible, everything happens for a reason. And I'm here to really try to inspire you guys to take action and start building your Amazon FBA business, because I truly believe that this is still one of the best opportunities to make money online in 2019 and going forward. So without further ado, and by the way guys, stay till the end of this video because I have a very, very, very exciting announcement. All right, let's go behind the computer here. So I'm in my Seller Central account. I'm gonna go to reports. I'm gonna go to business reports, and I am gonna go to last year, which is gonna go to custom. Gonna go to January 2018, click on first, end date would be December 31st. Click on apply and boom. All right guys, so you can see that we are at, let's just call that 1.7, okay? Let's just call that $1.7 million in sales. So obviously, I'm pretty happy about that. The year before that, we only did 100,000, 120,000. So last year was really, really a big year for us. And yeah, I mean, honestly, Amazon FBA has seriously changed my life. I quit my 9-to-5 last year, and I was able to do this full time. My girlfriend recently quit her job as well, so we're doing this full time. We have some very, very big plans this year to grow our business off of Amazon, as well as keep launching products on Amazon, because I still believe that it is such a good platform to sell physical products and getting into e-commerce and things like that. So that's it. With this, if you're in my Facebook group, the Ecom Hub, which I'll link somewhere in this video, you would know that I was hosting a contest. So what the contest was, whoever gets closest to that number gets free access to our Amazon FBA training called 6 Steps to 6 Figures. I'll link that down below as well, where David and myself, we teach you how to build a sustainable, profitable lifestyle business on Amazon. So I'm gonna put the winner right here. Congratulations, you've won access. Make sure you contact me on Facebook. We'll set it up for you. And I'm really excited for you all this year to take action and start building your Amazon FBA businesses. Because if you put in the work day in and day out, you'll be very surprised of how far you can become after just 1 year of building this business. Now, the exciting announcements that I want to share with you guys is we're putting on a conference. It's going to be an e-commerce conference called Ecom Hub Summit. It's going to be held in Vancouver on March the 15th to the 16th. And it's a 2-day conference. We're flying speakers from all over the world, literally. 75% of the content is going to be about Amazon FBA. The 25% is about e-commerce in general, as well as mindset. We have speakers like Casey Goss from Viral Launch. Max Kerwick works closely with Ryan Moran. We got Tony Yu, the Kickstarter King. We got Anthony Lee from Six Leaf. We got Zach Franklin, the genius that handles multi-million-dollar operations in China for other Amazon clients. The lineups are stacked, okay? We got influencer marketing, Facebook ads, Amazon FBA, and it's gonna be held in the beautiful Vancouver. Actually, you know what? Let me go to the venue right now. Let's take a drive, and then we'll show you where exactly this event is gonna be held at. Okay, so we're heading out to Pan Pacific in downtown Vancouver. Downtown Vancouver is actually super, super small. And we're gonna go check out the venue because I definitely want to show you guys a couple things. And it's a beautiful, gorgeous venue right in the waterfront, and maybe fill you guys in with why we wanted to have this event. We do Amazon FBA, and a lot of it's behind the scenes, right? It's behind the computer screen, and it's quite frankly, it's quite a lonely job. Like, it's you, your computer, Chinese suppliers on WeChat, and that's about it. But last year I went to a few different conferences. I went to my first one, which is the Prosper Show in Las Vegas. Then I went to Brand Builder Summit, and it was just an awesome, awesome experience. We learned so much from the speakers, and not only that, the networking is the most important thing. I truly, truly believe that your network is your net worth, and I truly, truly believe that. We're inviting so many great people to come together to this, and this is not for everyone, right? Not everybody's going to come to this. We only have about 300 tickets, and I think people who are going to come to this are people that are willing to invest in themselves, are people that are willing to meet others who are doing the same things as them, and really understand the value of networking as well as learning. I mean, I want to basically make this event one of the coolest events out there. That's why we're flying people in from China and stuff like that. And it's funny because, we're already doing so much already. I have my Amazon FBA business, growing our brand off of Amazon, course, local workshops. And for me, one of the things that I'm definitely going to do this year is to not take on as many projects. Last year was kind of just like, oh, here's a good idea, let's do it. Here's a good idea, let's do it. It's almost like squirrel. And the shiny object syndrome. Yeah, that's the one. So, one day, David and I were talking, David, my partner at Ecom Hub, and we're just like, hey, how cool would it be to do a mastermind, to do an event? And at first, we wanted to do one in Whistler, where we'll just rent, a couple cabins, and we'll do a couple cabins and, fly people in. And then we found out that it actually costs quite a bit of money to do things like that. So we're like, hey, you know what? Might as well throw a bigger event. So we ended up getting a really good deal at Pan Pacific. Definitely not looking to, the reason why we're throwing this event is not for us to make money, okay? The reason why I want to throw this event is, like I said, I want to get a group of people together that are just rock stars, right? I want to meet them in person, and I want to basically build our relationship to the next level. I mean, at the end of the day, I've talked to so many people in front of a computer screen, but until you meet someone in person, it's a completely different experience. And we hired so my friend's friend is an event planner. He got us a wicked deal at Pan Pacific. And right now, like I said, we're gonna go show you the venue, and working with, a few other quote influencers in our space to promote the event as well. And yeah, I think it's going to be really, really fun. So hope you guys will come. And Vancouver is a beautiful city, and during March it's going to be awesome. I hope the weather is going to be really good during that time as well. And we're probably going to head up Whistler afterwards as well, which is a world-renowned ski resort. We're going to go skiing for a few days for those who want to come. And yeah, it's just going to be an awesome experience. So I'll show you guys the venue in just a little bit. All right, guys, we're at the venue now. So this is called Pan Pacific. That's Vancouver Convention Center. That's behind there is Canada Place. This place is super, super cool. And I think this is probably one of the most prime real estate in Vancouver. So we'll go in, check out the venue inside, and yeah. All right, guys, so this is the hotel that we're gonna be staying at, as well as where the conference is happening. As you can see, it's a gorgeous hotel. There's mountains in the back, the ocean, literally at the waterfront. Unfortunately, I'm not able to go to the rooms today to show you because the person that was supposed to be in charge is not here today. But stay tuned to the next video because I definitely want to give you guys a tour of the hotel rooms, the conference, the restaurant that we're going to be at. It's going to be awesome. So that's the end of today's video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And make sure you click on the link because registration is now open. So otherwise, I'm really, really looking forward to meeting all of you guys in Vancouver on March the 15th and the 16th. Hey, do you own an e-commerce business where you sell physical products online? Well, if you do, then I have some really, really good news. Hey, my name is Tom. I'm the co-founder of Ecom Hub, And I'm really happy to be announcing the open registration for eCubHub Summit. So this is going to be a 2-day conference, and we're bringing speakers all across the world. You can check them down below, but we're going to be talking about everything there is to do with e-commerce, and more specifically, private label and selling physical products. So it's going to be on March the 15th and the 16th in the beautiful Vancouver, BC, and you can find all the information you need to find on this page: who the speakers are, when the events are, which hotel we're staying at, as well as the dates of the event as well. So like I said, go scroll down, check out the speakers. If that interests you at all, make sure you purchase your tickets today because it is quite limited. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us and we'll reply promptly. Otherwise, I'll see you in Vancouver on March the 15th and the 16th.